Hello. Now, case 3 we are taking. If your number is less than 50 and more than 50. See, the method is same as here, just approx. Like 56, how much more than this 56? Do the square of this one. 6 square, 36. So the last two digit is 36. But here is some changes there. This 50 is the half of 100. So we are supposed to do the half of this 50, that is 25. And whatever is your difference is coming, that difference you must add in case if this number is more than 50. Agar this number is more than 50, then that difference you must add in 25. So that is 31. So 3136 is the square of your number. Similarly here, this 45 is how much less? This number 5. Do the square of 5? 25. So 25 is here. And difference of this one is 5. So 5 must be subtracted from 25. Just half of this one. 25 minus 5. 20. So 2025 is the square of this number. Similarly here, 64. 64, how much is more than this one? 14. You must do the square of 14. So 14 square means 196. So last two digit is 196. 14 must be subtract from 14 must be add because this is more than 50. So 25 plus 14 is 39. And in 39 this is your carry. Carry must always we will add. So 39 plus 1 is 40. So 4096 is the square of 64. Have a look. Okay, now the number is more than 200 and less than 200. Both the case we will discuss. So this 212, how much more than this 212? So you must do the square of 12. 144. So this 44 you must write on here and 1 is your carry. See now, whatever is the differences here, you must do the twice of them. That is 24. And 24 you must add in 200 plus 24. So that is 224. But now work is not over. This 200 is the twice of this 100 because base is your base. These are the sub bases. Remember, 300 is the 3 times of 100. So we will multiply by 3. There only. We will discuss later on. Now, so this number 224 must be multiplied by 2. So that is 448. So 448 double 4 is the square of 212. Now similarly this one you can take. This is 32 more than this 200. So 32 square means 1024. So 24 is here and 10 is your base. See. So 32 twice of 32, 64. 64 you must add in 200. 200 plus 64, that is 264. But this is the twice of this base 100, so must multiply by 2. So this is 8, 2, 3. And in this 328, base must be added. So 328 plus 10 is 338. So 33824 is the square of 232. Have a look. Now, if the number is less than 200, so same method is there. Take the difference. 200 minus 189, 11. Do the square of this one. 121. Last two digit. 21. And this one will be carry. Double of this 11, 22 must be subtracted from 200. 22. So this is 278. And add twice of this one, 278 into 2. 556. Carry 1. So 5, 5, 7. So 557. No, 5, this is subtract this one. Sorry, this is here will be 178. Twice of this one is 653. So 357. So 357, 21 is the square of this number. Similarly here, difference you must take 200 minus 196, 4. Just do the square, 16. So 16 is here. Now double of this one, 4, 8. Must be subtracted from this one. So 200 minus 8 is 192. Just do the double of this one, 4, 8, 3. So 384, 16 is the square of your number. Have a look. Yes. Now, in case if the number is more than 150 and less than 150, but just see now, this 150 is 3 over 2 of this 100. Means this is 1.5 times of this 100, you know. So this is the point is keep in mind. So take the difference of these two numbers, 152 minus 150. So difference is 2. Do the square of this number, 2, 4. So 04. Last two digit will be 04 is there. And whatever is the difference, that difference 4 must be added. 150 plus 4, 154. But 154 we will not write here only. We are supposed to take the 1.5 of this number. So 154 into 3 over 2. So 277. So this is 231. So 231, 04 is the square of this number. So if your number is more than 150, take the difference, do the square, that must be added in this number, and whatever your you are getting here, just do the 3 over 2 of that. Now means just do the 1.5 of that, and that number you must write down. Similarly here, this is less than. So in case we were adding here only, we will subtract. So difference is here 154 minus 148, that is 2. Do the square of this 2, 4, 04. You will write last two digit, we will write this one is there only. See. Now in case of this, double of this is 4. So 4 must be subtracted from 150. So 146. Here in case if it is more than, we were adding. If it is in case less than, we are supposed to subtract. And do the 3 over 2 of this number. 3 over 2, 7, 3. So this is 921. So 2194 is the square of this number. Have a look. Okay. Now in case if it is more than 300 and less than 300. So this 312 is 12 more than 300. So you must do the square of 12. You must do the square of 12 is 144. So last two digit is 144. 1 is your carry. See, double of this difference you must add in this one. So 300 plus 24 is 324. And this 300 is the 3 times of 100, because actual base is this one. These are sub bases are there. So you must do the 3 times of this one. 3. 972. But 1 is carry. So this carry will be at, so 973. 4 is the square of this number. Similarly, in case of less than is there only, same method is there. Difference of these two, 2. So square of that 4 means 04. So difference is 2, and double of that 2 must be subtracted from this one 4. So 300 minus 4 is 296. Do the 3 times of this one. So this is 8. So 888, 04 is the square of this number. Similarly, in the same way, if it is less than 250 and more than 250, same method is there. And this 250 is how much percent of this one is 100. Like 150 we are taking, so that is, it was 1.5 times of 100. This is 2.5 times of this one. So same method is there only. So for rest of the numbers you can do. Have a look.